Hello there. This video is about a game that I'm doing an upgrade. So I already have this game on Steam for free. It's called Zé Bomber. Zé is my nickname. And now I'm porting it from Unity to Unreal. The first version, the one that is available now is on. It was my first game, so it's very simple. And this one I try to make a little bit better. So the original one we just drop bombs. This one we drop bombs and we shoot rockets. And you have two type of enemies, tanks and then helicopters. And let me start the game. The idea is that you have to protect this base here. And there is some instruction in the beginning, like how to control. So you can pause and read it. As I already know, I'm gonna move forward. So this is the airplane. We can gain speed with the mouse wheel up and you can see here the speed that we have. And the idea is we're gonna drop bombs into the tanks, and if we get more speed, see that the red crosshair go farther because the bomb now will fly faster because of the. And you can control the with the right mouse button. You can look around, and the fun thing is you can look around and you still shoot. So this airplane has like a rocket that turret that turn like 360 degree, one up and one down. So and the idea is that we can use both side of our brain to plan like how to drop bombs, and the same time we can, while travel to drop the bombs, we can shoot the helicopters. Let me get some speed here. Oh, I missed those. So then you have to plan well how you're gonna drop your bombs. Of course, you should never drop the bomb on top of the target because the target is moving. And the same thing here, you should not shoot in the target, is ahead. Okay, so let's see what else I can get here. I go get those. Oops. Oh, and you can use key and E to do like slide. Oh, and when the red, do you see the screen flashing red? Is because the enemies are like in line of fire and shooting the base. So you have to hurry to protect the base. The good thing is that they're gonna be stationary there. When they have the stop and shooting the base, they're gonna be not moving, so it'll be easier to target them. And we have to destroy 4 more tanks. And then here in the top, there is this radar, and we can use the keys to increase the zoom of the radar. So let's get some speed here and see if I can get both of those guys in just one run. Let me look. Oh, the first one looks like I missed it. I got the second one. I reduce the speed, turn. And let's see how it goes. Okay, align. And then I think if I drop the bomb right, as I'm coming from behind, I can drop here and then let me look, make sure that I hit it. Boom, I got it. Now I can get some speed here. I try a very fast drop. Just make sure, like kind like a diver bomber, sorry. And let's reduce some speed. And oh, we got 8 hits on the base, so that's not good. Okay, and then we complete the wave 1. One thing that I changed, as you can see, the base HP did not reset. So I will do that so it will be easier to advance on waves. And let's see if I can do a better job cleaning those ones here. Just make sure to. And now let's go here. 1, 2. Oh, maybe there is a bug on the tank because I'm pretty sure I dropped those dead center. So let's see now. I keep looking for the bomb. 1, 2, 3, and boom. Bombs away. Okay, when I'm looking, it works. So let's see. And while you turn, you can actually, if you want to play serious, it's better to clean up the helicopter first because they are faster, and then we can deal with the tanks later. Oh, rockets does not destroy. Oh, don't destroy helicopter. Oh, tanks. Oh, I miss one, and then let's get this bad guy here. Let me watch this one. When you have only the right click, you don't change the airplane direction. It's just your head. It's kind of you are looking around. Uh-oh, I get some hit on the base. How come? And as you can see, like it's a physical law. No? If I increase my speed, that bomb the bomb like crosshair go farther because now the bomb is same speed as the airplane, and then it's going to travel faster, so we cover a biggest distance. So now I reduce, so come close. I'll try to get this one here. Do some of dive bombing. Oh, I missed the first one. This one here, I think I can get it. Another dive bomb. The airplane does not like hit the ground. It goes minimum to 1,000 feet. Oh, 1,000 feet is here. Sorry, there's the speed. And then let me gain some altitude, and then let me head back to the last enemy, right? Yeah, last enemy. I'll gain some speed so I can throw one bomb, another bomb, another bomb, another bomb. One of them is gonna, yay, okay. Now let's go to another run. So now I have way more enemies, so I have to be smarter and faster in this one. So while I turn, I try to get as many helicopters I can, and then as many as tanks as I can as well. So okay, I got those two. Oh, and every wave, the tanks and the helicopter get a little bit faster. It's still like an interval because there is a random for each one, random speed, but they're gonna be getting faster and faster. Oh, let me now focus on the. Oh, and I can see there like where they are, so they are very close to the base. So let me do a. Okay, let me clean those guys. Let me get some speed, and on the way I'll clean those two. And then I'll do a. Oh, I missed that one. I'll gain speed to get space, and then I reduce speed to turn. I may put some sound for the airplane itself. I guess sometimes it's annoying. And okay, let's make sure that the guy is destroyed. Other one. Let me look. Okay, we got it. So 8 more tanks. I guess we have good time. They are still slow. Reduce the speed. Turn here. One more bomb. Oops. One more bomb. And another one. And hits. Oh, I'm missing a lot. So let's keep going. Oh, I reduce my speed. So it'll be, oh, my altitude. So it's better to predict. I mess everything here. I guess I was too high. So the delay for the bomb to hit the ground is a lot, so make harder. So let me reduce the altitude. Oh, I can't believe I missed one of those. Okay, 3 more. Let's go. Tô gravando vídeo aqui, cabeça. My son just came. I'm recording a video. But feel free to come, no worries. Come to see it. Okay. I made him play a lot to test. Okay, let's go there. Another turn. And let's see how the wave progression goes. If you reduce the speed, you turn faster. So is oh, I make sure that this guy get destroyed. And I think I have to make the base bigger because the tank is almost the size of the base. So that is something that I need to improve as well. So now we have 25 helicopters and 20 tanks. So let's go there. I'll keep myself low so it's easier to. Oh my god, look how many helicopters. Ideally, I should be able to do both, like shoot the helicopters and drop bombs on the tanks. Okay. Oh, wait. Come on, turn. Oh, oh, I have to be careful. Okay, now I have to take care of all of those bad guys. I may change the game so when they get there, they keep turning around so they don't stay like just floating there. Okay, more speed. And let's do a dive bomb in here. I guess you are destroyed, my friend. Yep. Okay, 5 tanks only. So, boom, boom. Three more. So I guess one run and I can get the no. So let's go. Okay, I hope I can get this one here. Oh, I miss it. Oh, come on. I am bad bomber. Okay, 2 more. But I'm lower than 50%. So yeah, I need to work on the scaling here. Look how big the tank is for the base. So this, and now I use this little adjustment here. And I think I can get boom. Okay, let's go to A5. Oh, I don't think I can get those two. Oh, I got one at least. See what I mean? I can use the time I'm flying to the tanks to shoot the helicopters. Oh, see, I got distracted. If I get 2 at every pass is already, I think, good. Oh, I'm too high. I guess it's better to be low. Let me see how the base is. Oh, I need to get this guy. Okay, let's. Oh, I got 2, I think, right? Okay, now let's see if I can do a good run here. Boom. Yeah, those tanks that are behind, they are very slow. I know, so I have to drop kind of again. Now let's see. Oh, the bases get attacked by the last 3 helicopters. Okay, now let's get some speed, get those 2. Okay, so 6 more to go. This one here. Yeah, so I'm impressed how friendly like game developer is right now compared to what was. I tried this like decade ago, more than a decade ago, and was way harder. And of course, like just a comparison, like Unity 3D is way easier than Unreal, way easier. But I was curious to understand. So the learning curve of Unreal is harder. So if you're just about to do a simple game or just to get into, however, I like the Unreal more. When I learn a little bit more, took more time to understand how to do basic stuff, but it's more polished. Like it's more in my opinion. I may like being like just it's not my area. I'm not a real game developer, but in my impression, like everything looks better with Unreal, and this is what I see people say. But it's harder, requires way more from the hardware. Like I had like trouble. I have to tweak it to be like lighter, otherwise I could not run in my machine. The same machine that I had no issue at all with Unity. With with Unreal is different. You need to invest in a better hardware. So is what I'm about to do. Just to for me as a hobby, so I don't do this for money. Just I want I'm creating games that I want to play. So this one is good because it's gonna keep my brain in left and right hand working. So and it's just a casual game. Okay, let's see now. 30, 35. Oh, I think I'm gonna increase helicopter by 10. Oh, I forgot to drop bomb. So it's exactly what I'm trying to work. Oh, oh, helicopter still. Oh, two tanks there. And I missed both. Bombs away. Oh, let me save the base. 17,000. Oh, come on, I'm so bad. Maybe it's a bug. Thanks, are you pay attention to see if I'm missing or what is going on? I have to get those guys here. Let me go all the way down. So. And let me show you guys, for example, if I want to change those things, I want to change the size of the tank because I think it's too big. So I go to this tank blueprint and here there is the scale. See that is 2, I put 1 and 1. I save it. And then another thing I want to do is I have this tank and helicopter spawner. So do you see the helicopter spawner? Let me double click and check here. So helicopters per wave is 10 each time. And oh, helicopters add is this. I want to add more helicopters, 10. And the tanks, I think, oh, those are the tanks. No, tanks, I want 5. Hell add per wave is only 5. And then helicopters add per wave 10. I want to have more helicopters than tanks. So that is it. We all the game is based on use some parameters, and then we can start the game again. And let's see now what the size of the tanks will be. So if it was harder to destroy tanks before, imagine now that they are smaller. But let's see. Now at least I'll speed a little bit. Oh, I got it. So I don't think it's a bug. It's just bad aiming. So let's see how you're gonna do with this one. Okay. Those are very far away, but let's see how good my aim is. No, this should be. Oh, I got two. That was my goal, to be able to move to a tank and then still keep shooting. Oops, let's do some dive bombing here. Oh, I guess I'm. Oh, I got it. So let's turn. Get that one. Okay, you guys got the idea of the game, right? So, for example, how I add those things, we go here and there is this fab, and there's go to a website that is hosted by the company that create Unreal, or not create, bought Unreal, that owns Unreal now. And for example, I imagine that I need like a helicopter. I can do a search, and then look, there is some very cool one, but they are like expensive, not expensive, but they are pricey. For someone that has all this work to create like something cool like this, and you can just use in your game. What I do is I go back here and then I change this price and say only show free products. And this is where I got that helicopter. And there is some other ones, but I think that is cool for this game. Or if you want to see, for example, bombs or explosion or whatever you want, you can just look in this store. You can change the price for free. And there is so much stuff. So this is one big advantage from Unity to Unreal. The store has way more good and free stuff. I guess because it's used for more like bigger companies. So they have, for example, this one here. Look how nice thing like this is. You can use all those things for your own game. Okay, cool. Thank you. See you. Bye.